I told you to be careful. I told you keep your guard up and watch what you say. I told you there'd be people that could make you trip just standing in place. You didn't believe anything that I said. When they came, you were not prepared. Then it all fell right on your head. And now you're lying in this bed.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I achieved the box braid style you saw in the previous clip. This is some hair from beautykrew.com. This is the Outre Xpression box braid medium crochet hair, natural tip 90 strands in each pack. I have 2 packs of these in the 20-inch color 2 medium box braids. As I've said before, these are pre-looped crochet locks, so I'm just moisturizing my hair first, and I am going to do individuals in the front, so I am just sectioning off my hair in the front and pulling the rest of it back. To install these crochet braids, I am using the Brianna Tahari method. I've used this method before, absolutely love her method. So for the back, I am just doing 7 plaits on each side of my head. No cornrows involved with this method at all. You are just braiding your hair into some plaits. So 7 plaits on one side and 7 on the other. Once you have all your plaits together, you're going to want to put it in a low bun, a small bun if possible. You could also just sew your hair down if you don't want to put it in a ponytail. And now time for the installation process. Yay! These braids are synthetic, by the way. I just failed to mention that in the beginning. So now we're about to install these locks, Brianna Tahari method. Here we go. I've already installed majority of them. You just basically place the braids wherever you see fit. It does not have to be on your actual braided plaits. Just place the crochet box braids all over your head, however you see fit. Wherever the spaces are, you just fill them up, okay? And make sure they lay down in the way you like them to lay. So that's all I'm doing here, and then I'm going in and adding some Kima braid hair, the ocean wave pattern, color 2, same color as the braids. This is going to give it that look that I want, the goddess braids look. I also added some other wavy hair to it, but you can find the Kima braid hair on beautykrew.com as well. All of the links will be in the description box. So this is the Kima braid hair. Just split in half. It is so easy to work with. It just comes loose with ease. You just crochet it in as normal throughout the head, wherever you see fit, wherever you want the curls to show up the most. The curls just pop out and just look lovely. I knot it like twice, and then yeah. After moving this hair around a little bit, you're going to want to get a moisturizer, probably some shea butter or something, and just rub it across this hair, and it pops right back into place. The curls just get even more defined when you add a moisturizer to it. It is synthetic hair, so keep that in mind. Now for the individuals, I did some plaits in the front of my head as well, and we are going to do the Jazz Nicole method in the front of the head. Individual crochet. Okay, let's get back to it. Individual crochet braids in the front. I use the Jazz Nicole method. You're just going to slide that hook through the base of your braid, the plait that you've made, pull the crochet braid through, and then you're going to pull your braid and the crochet braid through that loop. Okay, it takes a little while to get this, but once you get it, it's pretty easy. Tighten it, by pulling your braid up and the other braid the opposite of your braid, and that tightens it to the base of your head. Then you're going to want to weave your way through with the crochet hook, just the crochet hook. Weave it through, and we are going to pull our real hair, the real braid, your real hair, through this crochet braid, and it will camouflage itself with ease. It's best to use the color hair that matches your color hair, so just keep that in mind. So I'm just going all the way to the base of my real braid after weaving through the crochet braid and pulling that through. Watch how easy it is. And boom, look how flawless. You can't even detect where my real braid is within this crochet braid. How neat, huh? Jazz Nicole outdid herself when she came up with this method. I did use 2 packs of the box braids. I used just about all of them. I had a couple strands left of the box braids. Now with the Kima braid crochet hair, the ocean wave hair, I only used 1 pack of that, of course. So yeah, and this is my results, you guys. I hope you guys like it. I added some shells and a little bit of yarn. I absolutely love this look. These braids are so light. This hair is so light. Like, I can't even tell that I have them on my head. Very light. Although I have over 90 strands of these box braids in my head. Whew, I don't even know how many, but 2 packs. You do the math. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Check the description box for purchase links. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks beautykrew.com for working with me. See you in the next video, you guys. Bye bye.